So let me go over the differences so you understand. This is the coils that I got. It's a tower style, 3 prongs in it. Looks very similar to an LS plug, but this is not a smart coil. So this coil right here doesn't have an igniter in it, won't work with a factory ECU. This is a standard LS coil. Looks like it, similar connector, but there's 4 prongs in there. This has an igniter built into it and it'll fire. Now the two differences as well is this is a tower style coil. This is like, looks like a spark plug. And this is, you know, old standard style deal. So if we have different wires, now we have to also change the wire end. So there's one way to do that. We can buy new ends. These come in 2 packs, so you're gonna need 4 of them. 62 bucks. This one happens to be a straight one. 37. That one happens to be a 45 degree. In this particular application, a straight plug would be better. So, I mean, that just gets us the part. We have to add shipping to that. If we did, we'll say 8 of these at 10 minutes each, which we're cutting off the end of the wire, putting on a new terminal, crimping it down, and making sure the boot's in the right location. That's 80 minutes. We'll round up to 90, which is an hour and a half. So just even to change the coils and the spark plug wires, you're looking at $142 in labor, plus the cost of the part. This doesn't include shipping. So that's just to change an existing wire. Usually what we'll do is we'll actually get a different one. Now we're 152 plus the time to do it, and that's what it takes to do a set of plug wires. People don't understand some of this stuff is super custom. I mean, these take custom brackets to mount. You have to locate them on the car. This one couldn't be welded on, so had to have custom brackets made. Fortunately, these would work with those brackets as well. They're very similar. We just had to make a minor change to make those work, and they're also wider. But that's why this stuff takes time. So now we have to get the actual part, which they don't stock the stuff in San Diego, get it on the way. She should be here next day, and then decide which direction we go. Do we use existing wires, which are unknown? We don't know how many hours are on them. We don't know anything. They look like they're good. We'll test them, and they're probably good. Or do we buy a whole new set? 152 plus the shipping and labor. So that's why this stuff takes time. That's why it's complicated. And this happens over and over and over, and this is just the process it takes.